Exercise 6.2, sum number 3. A man is standing outside his house. The angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the height of the man is 180 centimeter and if 5 meter away from the wall, what is height of the window is given. So listen. So here one building is there. In this building, window is there. One man is standing here and see the top of the window. The same place the man is standing and see the bottom of the window. Right? So we need to find the height of this window. And then this building to here, the distance is 5 meter. The angle of this top of the window is 60 degree. And we will see that man is seeing the bottom of the window is 45 degree is given in the question itself. So by using this data, we draw this diagram. Right? So here opposite side is what? This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. So for all the sums we are dealing with the tan theta only. Right? So this is window, this is man is standing here and see the top of the window, the same place standing and seeing the bottom of the window. So height of the window is h I take and then the remaining is I take x because they didn't give the height and all. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. Now I take the angle 60 or I take the angle 45. So suppose you take the angle 45 means tan 45 degree equal to tan 45 means what? See here up to this one is covered. So tan 45 opposite is what? X by adjacent is what? 5. So tan 45 value 1. This equal to x by 5. 5 into 1, 5. So therefore phi equal to x, we take 1. We find sum of the value of x. Then tan 60 is there only. Tan 60 means top of the window covered. So whole thing we have to cover. So tan 60 opposite is what? The whole thing. Whole thing means x. X also we are having. H also we are having. So tan 60 degree equal to x plus h by 5. Tan 60 degree equal to x plus h by 5. Because we need to take this opposite side. Whole thing is called opposite side. So tan 60 value root 3. This equal to x plus h by 5. So 5 into root 3. This equal to x plus h. We are having x equal to what? 5. So 5 root 3 minus x equal to h. This x I take this side means minus x. So this is 2. Using 1 in 2. That is I substitute x equal to 5 into 5 root 3 minus x equal to what? 5. So 5 equal to h. Here 5 root 3 minus 5. So both are 5. So I take 5 as common. Root 3 minus 1 equal to h. Root 3 value 1.732. So 5. For this root 3 I return 1.732 minus 1 equal to h. Now see 1.732 that is called 1 rupee 73 paise. In that 1 rupee 73 paise we subtract 1 rupee means we are getting what? 0.732. So this into 0.732 equal to h. We have to multiply this 5 into 0.732, we are getting h. Height of the window we are getting. So how we have to multiply this one means without point you take 732 into 5. No need to take the point in that. Just you take the number 732 into 5. 5 into 2 10, 1. 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16. 1, 5 into 7, 35, 35 plus 1, 36. So after point, how many numbers we are having? 3 numbers we are having. So 1, 2, 3. Just to put the point, we get the answer. So 3.66 is the answer for this sum. Therefore, the height of the window is 3.66 meter. For all the sums we are doing only tan theta, only opposite by adjacent. You find in the diagram opposite, what is opposite, what is adjacent. We come to the sum easily, right? Thank you.